Hey, welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having a great day. Happy Tuesday. We're going to be walking through the Lucky Claw collection, sort of how it works, and doing the, I guess, the last preliminary draw. And this is for a pack of Flare community poker cards. And I sort of just want to run through some of the concepts of how it will work. The last actual chance to buy one of these Lucky Claws is the 24th of this month, and that's in preparation for the April, the first main draw in April, which is going to be at least 50,000 FLR. So the first thing I wanted to start off with is, you know, this collection, I think a lot of people are underestimating me because I'm actually perceived within the community solely as a content creator, but that is certainly not the case. I'm actually a computer science graduate. I graduated university in 2017 and was previously employed as a full stack developer for a number of years. And for those of you who don't know what full stack means, it's basically I guess the full shebang. So I'd be doing the front end, which is the UI design and sort of creating the visuals for the website that I was creating. The back end, which is more, I guess, the logic and also sort of database handling and API infrastructure, all that good stuff. So I'm doing pretty well. I've got quite a bit of knowledge under my belt, and this collection, honestly, if you are holding it, I think it's already one of the most promising collections, and it's going to get a lot better in the near future. You know, this collection already has novel functionality. It's got the on-chain pseudo randomizer smart contract. We've got the monthly 50,000 FLR jackpot selector DApp, which we're going to have a quick peek at in a second, and we also have the secondary sale royalty airdrop splitter, again all developed by myself. There is something else on the horizon, and that is the governance portal. I did reveal in this thread that I also have an idea that I'm working on in parallel with the Lucky Claw collection, and this is outside of the scope of the generic NFT marketplaces and DeFi applications that we see so many of in today's Web3 world. Something that I will say, whenever I have the opportunity to further add value to the NFTs, that's the Lucky Claw NFTs, via something that I've personally built, I certainly will. So, you know, if I can build an application and it has a, you know, a token associated with it, please believe that the Lucky Claw crew will get a share of that. This, again, is the Lucky Claw governance portal that I'm working on at the minute. To be honest, I'm working on a lot of things, but this is probably the next big milestone. I believe it is a first in the space. You know, I'm not sure of any project that has this sort of functionality. You can sort of think of it like the Flare portal, where you can vote on the proposals, but it's actually going to be based on the NFTs that you hold. So for every NFT that you hold, you have one vote, right? So this is going to be very interesting, and again, it's going to be a first in the space. Regarding the technicals, we do have the website here, and this is what we're going to go through today, hopefully. Now, I have been getting rate limited through the public Flare RPC, so we're going to sort of hope that I'm not currently rate limited, but I do have a backup if not. But yeah, the basic principle is that we run the local program. It looks something like this, load a code, right? And what happens is I generate a random number, send the number to the smart contract, and then it's going to go through a process of hiding this random number, because once we're playing the video live to reveal the winner, I don't want people accessing this public contract to get a little bit of an edge and find out who's won before the video plays and the ball is released at the end, right? Then we get the total supply of the NFTs, currently sitting at 518, and then we generate the on-chain random number. And this is very important for transparency because you guys, as the public, you're going to be able to query this smart contract, and you're going to be able to verify that this random number that was created here was actually used to play the animation. And there's no funny business because I don't have control over this this number that's generated within the smart contract, right? So I get the number back, this random number. It plays a random file and it's sort of created with the number. So if I go over here just a little bit, this is basically a file that has 1,000 unique animations in it. You know, obviously they all start the same, but the ending is different, which is when the ball is released. This is called FC_LuckyClaw_1. This is _2, 3, 4. It goes all the way down to 1,000. Trust me, I'm not going to scroll down to show you, but it's 1 to 1,000, right? And this program takes the random number, it appends it to the end of the file name, and then that gets played, and then basically I make the on-chain random number within the smart contract public, so you guys can publicly verify that, right? And then I also send the FLR as well, but today we're actually just doing the poker card giveaway. So that's pretty much the thesis, and yeah, we're going to give it a run. But one thing I will say before we wrap up at the end, the Patreon members, and this is going to happen every single week, anyone that is a Flare Community Patreon legend is going to be added to the Flare Community Wheel of Appreciation. Yes, it is making a comeback. If you are on this list, it is because you are on the legend tier, and I'm going to be giving away a Lucky Claw each and every month when we do the draws, right? So that's pretty much it. This is the first time that I'm running this live, so if something does go wrong, I do have a, like, I guess a local version without all of the code to interact with the smart contracts. This is just in case I get rates limited, but I am actually in the process of implementing the Flare API, which will resolve this, and I'll definitely have it available. In addition to some things like this at the end, you know, sending out tweets to congratulate the winner and whatnot, and also obviously the governance portal. So let's give this a run and let's see what happens. Let me just turn the volume up on the desktop, and yeah, good luck, everyone. Oh, damn, we might have made a boo-boo there. I'm not sure if anyone saw that video. Oh, the number, sorry. What number is everyone holding? Hopefully someone in the chat is a winner. Oh, we'll see. We'll see what happens at the end. And the number is 437. So 437, that's token ID 437. You have won, congratulations. If we scroll over here, there we go. It's automatically pulled this up. Minted 3 days ago. I believe that the video did open. It wasn't maximized, which was a problem. I think maybe someone may have, you may have caught the number there, but that's the basic premise, right? We run the program, it selects a random number, the random number selects a video from all of these, and the number is revealed at the end. And actually, if we go here, this is the winning address. If this is your address, or you know that you hold token ID 437, then congratulations, you have actually won. So, and then I did actually incorporate something here to send just 0.1 FLR as sort of a test transaction. So a lot of this is handled automatically by the DApp that I wrote, but obviously this amount is going to be 50,000 FLR moving forward. But I do want to talk a little bit about some of the mint details of this collection, because we're already halfway through the mint, and I can imagine that once this mint pauses, it's going to be the last chance for a lot of people, and the minting does close on the 24th of this month, and when it reopens in April, the price is going to increase. You can see this exponential curve here, and this is to ensure that the people that invested early don't get priced out by, you know, the distribution rewards and the delegation rewards, right? So the price is going to increase, but to be honest, I can't see it getting past 2 or 3 months, because, you know, I think this is one of the most utility-packed NFT collections on the network currently. The interesting thing as well is that once the minting is paused, people are going to have to buy these on the secondary market. So Sparkles should probably see a bit of an increase in activity for these particular NFTs, and that's great for you as holders because we obviously have the royalty splitter. And in fact, I don't think I've deployed that and released the code yet, but something that we can look at quickly is the randomizer. Let me see. There we go, just trying to remember what I called it. So this is a smart contract that I wrote, and you'll be able to see here, if you wanted to verify the number, you can see some contract calls here, reveal random number, and that's what I pretty much did, right? But if you go here to the read contract, you should be able to see the last random number, get random number, sorry. Let me blow that up a little bit so you can see, and you can actually validate it yourself by seeing the numbers here. 437, that was the name of or the token ID of the winning NFT, right? Because the 437 was the video that played, that was the ball that was revealed at the end, and that is the token ID of the NFT itself. And if we go back just a little bit, there we go. That's the winning address. 437. There we go. So if this is you, please do let me know. I do have a pack of Fleur Community poker deck cards with your name on it. But don't worry, if you didn't win, there is still a chance if you are a Patreon member. As I said before, this is the Fleur Community Wheel of Appreciation, and if you see your name upon here, you are a member of the Legendary tier, and I did just update this 10 minutes before the stream, and yeah, I'm actually able to message you with this straight after the stream, and we'll get that lucky claw to you. So with that being said, I'm going to wish you all good luck, and yeah, let's see what happens. Who's it going to be? Ooh, it stopped pretty fast. Irene? Irene, congratulations, you are today's winner, or this month's winner, and next month we're actually going to be doing the first main draw, right? So this is going to be for a number of different things. I've got a Fleur Community poker deck of cards that's going to be standard for the next 2 or 3 years, depending on how much supply I have. I think I've got enough to cover through the 3 years. We've got the Fleur Community Poker Club NFT, and that's going to give you access to a weekly draw and also the quarterly tournaments for 50,000 SGB. And obviously we have the 50,000 FLR giveaway as well. So that's pretty much the concept. I really hope you like it. It did take a lot of time to develop and obviously fine-tune, as you can probably see from here from the ecosystem map. And you can find a link to this knowledge base in the description, but it is quite a complicated, well, not complicated, but utility packed, let's say. This is what I'm working on at the minute, the governance, and it's going to allow you to change, or the holders of the NFT, it's going to allow them to have their say to change the mechanics of the game. So it could be the number of winners. Maybe we distribute it between 2 winners instead of just having 1 jackpot winner. maybe we change the compound amounts, right? Because there is a portion that gets compounded to ensure that the prizes grow over time. Maybe people want to compound more, so the prizes are bigger later, or the opposite, whatever that may be. And something else that I'm really excited about is this one here. I'm sure you probably can't see it, unfortunately, because it is quite small, this map. But this is the charity donation. So as I've always said, there is going to be a portion that goes to charity, and this is from the FLR that's claimed here. So we've got the treasury. The treasury contains all of the sales from the NFTs. Every time someone purchases an NFT for 2,000 FLR, it goes to the treasury. It's currently sitting at 900,000 right now, which is what allows us to create, delegate, and generate this sustainable jackpot, right? But there is going to be a portion that goes to charity, and I think that would be perfect for the first governance vote. Just before we wrap up here, I do have a video dropping tomorrow. We've got this sponsor section here who basically sponsor the Lucky Claw project. So if you know any people or any projects that may want to become a sponsor, do give them a shout. Flamingos was the first one. They've already sold out their collection. We've got one in the pot in the treasury, so we're going to be giving one of these away at some point in the future. And they also donated some FLR to the pool as well. I'm going to be announcing the second sponsor tomorrow, and we do have an interesting podcast. It's going to be in 2 parts for everyone to enjoy. It's a way that I can sort of leverage the Twitter and YouTube channel to sort of benefit you guys as holders by sort of asking for assets and FLR to bolster the treasury, which eventually is used to obviously generate the rewards, which goes to a lucky holder. That's it, guys. Yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. Congratulations to 437. You are today's winner, and also Irene, who has won a Lucky Claw NFT. And again, pausing of the NFTs does occur on the 24th of this month. So if you do want to get a Lucky Claw within the next couple of days. It is going to be reopened after the next airdrop in April. So mid-April. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please enjoy the rest of your week. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.